In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to make a water pump animation in Microsoft PowerPoint easily. So if you want to be an expert for making such a wonderful video in PowerPoint, watch the video till the end. So let's begin the topic. This is a new Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Go to New Slide, insert a blank slide. Go to View, click on Guides. Go to Insert, go to Shapes. Click on Oval Shape. Holding the Shift key and drag it over here like this. And change the size from 2.5 and 2.5. Go to Shape Fill, make it this fill. Go to Shape Outline, make it this outline. Go to White, click on this white. Place it like this. Now again go to Insert, go to Shapes, click on Flowchart Summing Junction. Here you will find this Flowchart Summing Junction. Holding the Shift key and drag it over here like this. Go to Shape Fill, make it this fill. Go to Shape Outline, make it this outline. And go to White and change it to this. And place it like this. Select both of the shape, go to Align, Align Center, Align Middle. Go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a rounded corner rectangle shape and drag it over here like this. And make it more sharper and increase the white. Place it like this. Increase the white to 0.5 seconds. Go to Shape Fill. Make it this fill, go to Shape Outline, make it this outline, go to Shape White, this white. Press Ctrl D to make it duplicate, rotate it, place it like this and place it here. Click on right button, click on Send to Back and increase the size and place it like this. Go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a rectangle shape, drag it over here like this. Go to Shape Outline, make it no outline. Select this shape and this shape. Go to Shape Format, go to Merge Shape, click on Subtract. Select this shape and this shape, go to Shape Format, go to Merge Shape, click on Union. Go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a rounded corner rectangle shape and drag it over here like this. Go to Shape Fill, make it this fill. Go to Shape Outline, this outline, and the white is here. Go to Insert, go to Shape, pick this shape and drag it over here like this. Go to Shape Fill, make it no fill. Shape Outline, this outline, the white, this size. And click on right button and send to back. And let me place it like this. Perfect. Select all of the shapes and place it like this. Again go to Insert, go to Shape, insert the hollow shape over here and holding the Shift key and drag it over here like this, and here make it more sharper. Click on Shape Fill, change this color. Shape Outline, make it no outline. Make it more bigger and place it like this. Now again go to Insert, go to Shape, go to Oval Shape and drag it over here like this. Resize it. Go to Shape Fill, make it white fill. Go to Shape Outline, click on eyedropper and select this one. Press Ctrl D to make it duplicate and place it like this. Resize it and place it like this. Resize it. Select all of the shape. Press Ctrl G to group them together and place it like this and resize it. Press Ctrl D to make it duplicate and place it like this. If required, resize it. Now my water flow circle is ready. Select this one, this one, this one, this one and this one and place it like this, and select all of these shapes and press Ctrl G to group them together and place all of this. Select all of this and place it like this. Again go to insert, go to shape, pick a oval shape from here and drag it over here like this. Go to shape fill, go to eyedropper, this color, shape outline, make it no outline. Press Ctrl D to duplicate and place it like this. Select all of these shapes, press Ctrl G to group them together and go to insert, go to shapes, pick a rectangle shape and drag it over here like this and place it like this. Go to shape fill, make it this fill color and select this one and place it like this. Select this shape, go to animation, go to add animation, click on spin and change the duration to 6. Click on this one, go to add animation, click on teeter and with previous and go to animation, click on effect option, timing, repeat until the end of slide. Again go to insert, go to shape, pick oval shape and drag it over here like this. Go to shape fill, this fill color and shape outline, make it no outline and press Ctrl D to make it duplicate and press Ctrl G to group them together and paste it like this and click on right button, send to back. Again press Ctrl D to make them duplicate and place it like this and send to back. Select this one, go to animation, go to add animation, click on spin, effect, counterclockwise and change the duration to 6 and click on with previous. Select this one, go to add animation, click on spin, change 6 seconds, on click with previous, effect clockwise and place it like this. Now go to insert, go to shapes, click on this shape and draw it like this. Go to shape fill, this fill color, go to shape outline, make it no outline, click on right button and send to back and paste it like this. Click on this shape, go to shape format, shape outline, make it no outline. Now again go to insert, go to shape, click on rectangle shape and drag it over here like this. Go to shape outline, make it no outline, shape fill, the background fill color, actually the white color. Click on right button, send to back. Click on this shape, send to back. Now select this shape, go to effect option, click on timing until the end of slide and this effect. Go to effect option, timing until the end of slide, this effect. Go to timing until the end of slide, this one. Go to timing, repeat until end of the slide. Now select this one, go to animation, click on add animation, click on spin and change the duration. Click on timing until the end of slide and start with previous. Okay. If I want to watch the slideshow, what will actually happen? You may change the flow from here and you may reduce the size of this and this size. You may reduce the size by pressing Shift Alt key. Place it like this and this one. Click on right button, send to back. Click on right button, send to back. So again want to watch the slideshow. This is perfect. So This is our water flow animation in Microsoft PowerPoint. If you really want to like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and if you want to download this file, check the description. Thank you.